Morning, America. Ted Leginski, Motor City Spindle. Wanted to talk to you about this particular unit because I think it sums up our company pretty good. This is a motorized turning center spindle, and we've been rebuilding these since day one, 2008 at Motor City. On this particular spindle, we've done several upgrades for our customers. Sometimes we encapsulate the motor windings, other times we upgrade the spindle bearings from steel to ceramic, but long story short, we're able to give significant cost savings to our customers. We're able to extend their spindle life, and we're able to keep their machine tools running. So if you're running turning centers, we'd love to hear from you. If you're running motorized spindles, we'd love to hear from you. This is a Hessup. This was once owned by the MAG conglomerate. I think it's FFG now. Don't hold me to that, but love to work with you if you guys are running machine tool spindles. This happens to be a turning center. We love them. We got guys that are awesome at roller bearings, but we also specialize and do a ton of machining centers. We're trying to kick out close to 100 spindles a month and grow that. This time next year, I'd love to be doing 150, 200 spindles a month. So reach out, love to tell you more.